Ahoj, tady Jitka, učitelka češtiny. A tohle je mini kurz češtiny, lekce 4. Welcome back to the mini course. Today we're going to learn how to chit-chat about weather. Weather in Czech, počasí. Po-ča-sí. Short, long. Počasí. And the question you will hear, jaké je počasí? Jaké je počasí? Again, I hope you're saying this aloud with me. Jaké je počasí? What's the weather? So you tend to ask this question to somebody who is in the same place as you. You just want to check with them, oh, what's the weather actually today? If you want to ask somebody who's somewhere else, you would ask them, what weather are you having? Or this is at least the easiest way to do it. And that would be, jaké máte počasí? So this is the question I hear a lot from my grandma anytime we talk, because she is Czechia, I'm in Scotland. She's always curious. And she asked me, Jíťo, jaké máte počasí? So 2 questions here. And let's look at different answers we could use. For instance, je slunečno. Je slunečno. Slunečno. It's a lovely word, isn't it? Slunečno. What do you think it means? Slunečno. Sunny. Je slunečno. Or dneska je slunečno. Dneska means today. So it's sunny today. Dneska je slunečno. I can say it perhaps for this very second before the sun's gone again. Dneska je slunečno. Another example. Je zataženo. Je zataženo. There's another interesting sound here, the consonant ž says ž, zataženo. What could that mean? Any guesses? Zataženo? Cloudy. Dneska je zataženo. It's cloudy today. Another example. Je vítr. 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 Wind. Je vítr. Dneska je vítr. Dneska je vítr. It's windy today. Or je zima. Zima. Cold. How can we say it's cold today? Dneska je zima. Dneska je zima. And the opposite? Teplo. Teplo. Je teplo. And it's warm today would be ano. Dneska je teplo. Dneska je teplo. This is another example, a little bit different than previous ones. We are okay here with just one word. Prší. Prší. Crazy. Prší. Czech is an amazing language that can use the sound r, which is a consonant, as a vowel. So I can say prší. Prší. I'm exaggerating here a little bit to practice the r, the correct r sound, which is quite hard, a lot harder than in English. So prší. And normally it would sound like prší. What kind of weather do you think this is? Prší. Raining. It's raining. And it's raining today would be dneska prší. Dneska prší. And a question for you. Je hezky. Je hezky. Any guess what this means? We've heard something similar in the previous lessons. Hezky. Hezky means it's a nice day. Je hezky. And we heard something similar because you perhaps remember the word hezký. Hezký den. Hezký den. Have a nice day. Wishing somebody a nice day. Hezký den. So hezky means nicely. It's a way to describe a nice day. Je hezky. Or you can also say je hezký den. Je hezký den. There's a little overview for you of what we learned, how to use the weather, how to speak about the weather. We've got two questions. Jaké je počasí? Usually used when asking somebody who's in the same place as you. And jaké máte počasí? Asking somebody who's somewhere else. And the answer, optional dneska. And then je for a positive sentence and není for a negative one. Je slunečno. Není slunečno. Slunečno? Sunny. Je vítr a není vítr. Vítr? Windy. Je zima a není zima. Je teplo, není teplo. Je zataženo, není zataženo. A je hezky, není hezky. Just careful about rain. We are fine with just one word. Prší. Prší. And the opposite, neprší. Neprší. So this is the most frequent way how we create negative sentences in Czech. We just stick the prefix ne in front of a verb. Neprší. Easy. Prší, neprší. Jaké je počasí v Edinburghu? What's the weather like in Edinburgh? Let's look at the picture. Edinburghu je slunečno. Edinburghu prší. Je zima a je vítr. Typical weather for Edinburgh in January. And now I have a question for you. Jaké máte počasí? What's the weather where you are? Please go and do let me know in the comments below this video. One more question for you. Have you got family and friends in Czechia? Would you like to be able to speak to them in Czech so you can build a closer relationship with them? If so, come and join one of my group lessons. We learn in tiny groups, 4 students maximum. We learn practical skills and we practice speaking a lot. We go slowly because Czech is very different from English and it's fun. More information and the subscription form are at my website, czechformyboyfriend.com. So go there now. There'll be only 2 new groups opening in February. That's all for today. I'll be looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. We're going to learn some magic words and phrases like how do you say thank you? And revise how to say good day and goodbye. Ahoy!